Good morning. Good morning to all the third BCom General and Computer students. And today we are back to the class, that is banking theory and practice. Previously we learned different types of banks, industrial banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, okay, NABARD, RBI, etc. And today we are going to learn about a new topic called as e-banking. Of course, for class it is new, but practical life, this e-banking already everyone are aware of e-banking presently. Clear? So what is e-banking? Electronic banking is called as e-banking. Okay, so let's see the history of e-banking now. E-banking here started in which years? In 1980s only e-banking has been started in India. The term it became popular in which year? In 1980s, this e-banking became popular. Okay, so how this e-banking has been used by electric terminals, keyboards, TV, okay, monitor and banking system using phone line. So different sources you are using for using this e-banking services like TVs, system, desktop, laptop, your mobiles, electric terminals, keyboards, TV, monitor, etc. So for first time, Stafford Federal Credit Union was the first union which started this online services to all the people, all the members of its institution in 1994. Later on, snapped up by other banks like Wells Fargo's and other banks outside the country. Next, when you once again see about this e-banking started in 1980s. I request all to concentrate. It started in 1980s. Okay, it came into light also in 1980 only. So the question is now, what is an e-bank? What is e-bank? Traditional banking business with new updates like customer desk at banks building, offices hours from 8 to 7 p.m. and customers have their job during the day, family or their activities after the job. So here e-banking, electronic bank timings has been extended. Previously the bank used to work only for 10 to 5 or 10 to 4. Nowadays, as the electronic media is helping, electronic gadgets and goods are helping for the banking services, the timings of the banks also increased from 8 to evening 7 p.m. It is also doing extraordinary services to its people. So, e-bank here actually means logical answer to us is internet, web-based mobile network, automated telephone, ATM networks, SMS and fax messages, multi-purpose information, web TVs and others. E-channels enable financial transactions from anywhere and allow non-stop working time. So what is happening is e-channel banking system is done by these all through process which is presented here. You can do from anywhere, any place, not only sitting at bank or not only sitting at your house or in your workplace also. Anywhere you can do this if you have the electronic banking, that is electronic gadgets are there with the internet facilities, means automatically the banking services are going to be done. So e-banking, modern banking is virtual banking. Virtual banking means a customer cannot see the bank, but with the help of technology he can conduct the banking activities anywhere in the world. So what is happening is he is not able to see the bank, but what he is able to do? He is able to do the services, accept the services and provide the services of the bank by using the technology and all the other activities throughout the world. The major types of virtual banking services includes smart cards, ATM cards, okay, next smartphones, phone banking, home banking, internet banking, etc. These are the services, major services of e-banking. ATM cards, smart cards, phone banking, home banking and internet banking. Next, electronic delivery channels are also there, which are also called as ATM, smart cards, telebanking, internet banking. So you may what is electronic delivery channels, what are the process services of e-banking? Both are same only. Today's banks are offering various delivery channels to provide products and services to their customers. Products means different types of policies, schemes, The IT has helped banks in increasing the range of their products and services and also in marketing them more effectively. Because of this internet, what is happening, it flourished. Everyone are able to aware of this e-banking, knowledge of e-banking because of this IT facilities. Okay, information technology facilities. Services are more liberally they are able to provide to all the customers. Who is providing? Bank is able to provide the services. Next, automated teller machine, ATMs. ATMs are widely used electronic channels in banking. It is a computer controlled device at which the consumers can make withdrawals, check balance without involving any individuals. To use the system, customers are given a plastic card which contains the customer name and account number, as well as the customer is given a PIN number where he wants to use it. He needs to enter his PIN number. Mostly ATMs are near to branches, but nowadays ATMs are available at any places like shopping malls, theaters, restaurants, hotels, okay, railway stations. You are able to see at railway station, bus stops, everywhere you are able to see the ATMs. Smart cards, it is a chip based card. It's very important to learn. It is a chip based card. Okay, microchip containing monetary value. This chip is consisting of some monetary value. In this value limit only you can use. More than that you can't use. When a transaction is made using the card, the value is debited and balance comes down. It is used for making purchases without need of any PIN. Means you are not using any PIN number you are not using here. Okay, it is powerful card which carries out functions of ATM card, credit card and debit card. So it is doing three activities. It is doing the services of ATM card, automated teller machine card, that is money, credit card and debit card, that is smart card. Once again, smart card is consisting of a chip. This chip is having some monetary value and this monetary value is mentioned there. So that limit only you can use. Yeah, but you are not using any PIN number for the smart card. Telebanking, it means banking over phone, mainly used for marketing banking services. A customer can do entire non-cash related banking over a phone anywhere at any time. With fall in mobile phone rates, mobile banking will emerge as one of the most cost-effective delivery channels. So, mobile is also playing an important role for this telebanking. Nowadays, almost mobile phones are reachable to all the people. All the people are able to purchase and they are also able to use all these facilities. So, telebanking means a service which is provided by the phone or a mobile. Okay, banking services are provided. Non-cash related banking services are provided on this telebanking. You are getting the messages, immediate messages also. Okay, next, internet banking. It has helped in banking at a click of a mouse. By clicking the mouse or by clicking your laptop or your keyboard or desktop, etc. It helps in banking at the click of the mouse. In internet banking, customers of the bank with a PC, personal computer, can log on the bank website and conduct bank basic functions. Okay, by internet facilities, by using your personal computer, you can come to the bank website and visit and you know the complete details about these banks by internet banking. Advantage of e-banking, you see, round the clock. It is providing the services to you 24/7. You are able to see nowadays user friendly, low cost, portable banking, quality banking, speed. First thing is speed. We need everything immediately as we are going so fast. As the cost of living is increasing, as the competition is increasing, the choice of the people is increasing. See, the speed of the banking service is also increasing. At a good quality assured services we are able to get through e-banking facilities, very low cost. Okay, portable banking, portable means small. On your mobile you are able to see user friendly, round the clock. Previously when you want to withdraw the money, you should wait near the bank. If there is a queue, you should wait in the queue, and the timings is from 10 to 4 o'clock or 10 to 5 o'clock. Only these timings only you can take the money. But nowadays, night 12 o'clock also you can withdraw the money, or early morning 4 o'clock also you can withdraw the money. 24 hours the money is available whenever you are in need of, with a good transparency and speed banking facilities. Okay, limitations are also there for the e-banking. Okay, startup cost, automatically when you want the service at your desktop, minimum charges are going to be charged by the bank. We should accept it. Clear? Because it is doing much services. Then a person, we can't trust our friend, we can't trust our relationship nowadays, but we can trust the bank, which is providing so many financial terms and conditions and services to us. Training and maintenance. Okay, efficient people should be selected, trained staff should be kept for providing the services here, but because lack of cost, this is taking place. Security, even though security cameras is provided, okay, security guards are provided, also robbery is taking place. Legal issues here, you know, many legal issues which are going on. Hike, okay, they are hiking the accounts, they are withdrawing the money, fake accounts they are creating. In this way, as the technology is growing, the disadvantages are also growing. Online banking frauds, you can see, while online banking has been around for many years, but no case of fraud have been reported until recently. Since the beginning of the year 2004, reports of cases has been exploded. From 2004 only, the cases has been increased, hiking. They are hiking this one. Password and phishing. The phishing scheme involves using fake emails or fake websites. Criminals send emails that appear to be from the customer's bank that direct customer to fake a website. In the first half of 2008 alone, have seen 20,000 reported password plus phishing, that is phishing incidents, where users are sent phony emails taking them to fake banking websites trying to get hold of their account details, compared with just over 5,100 cases 2 years. With 2 years. So what he want to say here is, some email may come to you or some message is coming to you that so such a bank is offering some schemes to you, okay, and loans to you. So when we want a loan, we are definitely attracted with that, and when you open that website, what is happening, the details it is asking. So we may think that that bank is a recognized bank and scheduled bank. We may give the information, type the information. So by typing that information from our bank account, directly they are taking the amount. Clear? Next phishing here is, you can see the picture of phishing here, and spyware. Skimming is more advanced version of an identity theft. Fraudsters illegally copy the information from the magnetic strip on the back of your plastic without interfering with the legitimate payment transaction. So some people are automatically copying the information which is existing on your ATM card, the black strip, and the details are copied. It comes under skimming. Okay, so I request all the students once again to please concentrate on the classes, listen the classes, understand the topics, because we may not repeat these all once again. Clear, students? Please concentrate on the classes, listen the classes, try to understand. Okay, e-banking topic also, you can write more what you heard and what you know and how you are using also on this e-banking. I'm not specifically saying that e-banking, what I said only you should write in the examination. You can write your answers what you are aware of in this e-banking also. There is no problem in writing the answer. But when we are explaining the classes, try to listen the classes, try to gain some knowledge from these classes and concentrate. So that when you listen concentratedly, what happens, it saves in your brain, and when the question comes in the examinations, immediately you can write also. Okay, so listening with a good concentration is very important. So I request, because your final year students, outgoing students' career is very important to you, where the percentage of the marks also plays a role in getting good company jobs. Please concentrate. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and listen all the classes.